A GenAI framework is like a big set of tools that helps people build apps with AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini. The framework is not brain itself. Instead, it gives you the pieces you need to connect the brain to your app. It's like a Lego block. One block is the AI model, another block is your data, and other block can be memory or search. The framework helps you fit those blocks together so they work well. Without a framework, you would have to write a lot of hard code to make the AI do anything useful. With a framework, you can build much faster. You can add things like chatbot apps that answer questions, or even teams of AI working together. Generative AI tools are evolving quickly. At first, you probably saw the space grow fast and feel a bit chaotic. Now you can see things settling down. Tools are becoming more focused and mature. There isn't a single best framework for everyone.